Good morning to the lecturer. My name is Tanishwari Subramani. My metric number is 16 DEP 20F1029.
My name is Divya Panniselvam. My number metric is 16 DEP 20F1018.
Today we would like to present our essay question report 2. Our topic is difference between VOIP and PSTN. What is the VOIP? VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol, also called as IP telephony or Internet telephony or broadband telephony. In simple, it refers to the phone service over Internet. This technology allows to make voice call using broadband Internet connection instead of regular phone line. It is used for delivery of high-range voice communications as well as multimedia session over internet protocol IP network. That's why it is called as voice over IP. Now it is one of the most effective delivery people. In VoIP, internet is used as the transmission medium for telephone calls by sending voice data in the form of packets using internet protocol IP. It transmits real-time voice signal from source IP address to the target IP address. In the current days, voice over internet protocol VoIP is one of the reliable and cost-effective alternative to early or traditional phone service. Internet is connected with three devices, which is VoIP gateway, data center, and also small office or home office. VoIP gateway is connected, data switch is connected with VoIP gateway IP iPhone, and the VoIP gateway is connected with ADSL. To the small office, ADSL connected with IP phone, and then Cloud PBX is connected with PSTN, and PSTN is to users.
What is the PSTN? PSTN stands for Public Switch Telephone Network, also known as Traditional Circuit Switch Telephone Network. Formerly, it was known as only Public Telephone Network. PSTN refers to a telecommunication network which allows voice communication between people at different sites. Public switch telephone network uses an old technology which uses copper wires to carry analog voice signal. It is operated by local, national and international carriers. Public switch telephone network is based on circuit switching concept. When a dedicated path is established between two phones, a circuit is established between them. All lines are public switch telephone network is PSTN. So public switch telephone network architecture. The the traditional PSTN as a hierarchical architecture in a star structure. The individual subscriber line are connected to a local exchange which connect to a local exchange which communicate with track exchange as well as main and central exchanges. The lines within a local exchange typically have the same area code. So central office and central office to connect local loop and fiber backhauls, and these two connect by customer premises and remote switch, and also central office connect local and subscriber loop plus fiber, and this connect to POPI or SAC box, remote DSLAM. So this connect to customer premises. Detail about VOIP and PSTN. Talking about phone service, PSTN or public switch telephone network is the oldest. It has been around since the 1800s. However, there has been a steady decline in the usage of PSTN phones. Only 972 million fixed line telephone subscriptions are being used all around the world. The reason behind this is many. The chief one being the emergency of VoIP. VoIP or Voice over Internet Protocol is a trend of the 21st century. What came into being in 1995 is now dominating the phone service market. If you have a good internet connection, this is the phone service for you. Third, the VoIP call can be made from one phone to another or from a computer to a phone. Public switch telephone network (PSTN) on the other hand uses circuit switch telephone between 2 points for the direction of a call. VoIP uses the internet to connect but PSTN uses a landline.
Okay, the difference between VoIP. The first one, voice over internet protocol uses packet switching. The number two, in VoIP, only an internet connection is required. And third, no dedicated path required between sender and receiver. Fourth one, VoIP lines require 100 kbps. Fifth, in VoIP, it acquires and releases bandwidth as it is needed. Sixth, in VoIP, cost is not dependent on distance and time. 7. Extensions is a standard feature of VoIP. 8. VoIP provides consistent VoIP quality but depends on bandwidth. VoIP provides consistent VoIP voice quality but depends on bandwidth. And the last one, scalability and upgrades requires improved internet bandwidth.
The difference between PSTN public switch telephone network. Public switch telephone network uses circuit switching. Second, in PSTN, dedicated line required from telecom company. Third, dedicated path required between sender and receiver. Fourth, one link typically supports 64 kbps. 5. Bandwidth is reserved in advance. It requires as each line is 64 kbps. 6. In PSTN, cost is based on distance and time. 7. Extensions require extra cost in PSTN. 8. PSTN provide consistent voice quality. 9. Call waiting, call forwarding, call transfer are usually standard features in PSTN, but sometimes it costs extra for this. 10. Scalability and upgrade requires substantial hardware addition.
Uh, the last one is audio choices, which is for PSTN and VoIP. The first one, reliability for PSTN, where established infrastructures provides ensure power source and consist voice quality. For VoIP, transmission depend on internet voice quality depends on bandwidth and provider audio codec. For the next one, security for PSTN, tiered security provides assurance of confidentially on calls. Call monitoring services often available. For voice security, limited to room pins and wireless network safeguards. The third one, integration for PSTN, integration for web conferencing platforms, calendar programs, and business software readily available. For PSTN, third-party plugins available. The last one, support for PSTN is dedicated enterprise-wide support is common among audio conferencing providers. Call moderations available to help manage large calls. And for VoIP, Availability of support is difficult to pin down. Providers can pass support requirements of on end users, IT teams, internet provider, and others. Thank you.
Thank you.